do I need hurricane insurance when I buy a property on Maui? Well, it's a really good idea. If you're getting a loan, most definitely you're going to be required to get insurance. If you're paying cash, it's up to you. You know, we haven't had a hurricane hit in over 100 years, but we are in the way of hurricanes, and we are a little pin dot in the ocean, but when it happens, it can be devastating. So I would highly recommend that you get hurricane insurance. You know, on a couple $1 million property, your hurricane insurance is going to be $1,000 to $2,000. On a condo, you're already going to have hurricane insurance as part of your perils and risk policy, but you would want to add it to your homeowner's liability insurance so it covers the contents in your unit. So the answer to the question is, I sure would recommend it unless you're a gambler.